Bunch of different ways to pick a padlock. Some people can just twist it and know exactly where it is. Some people can make shims, or you can buy them online. There's you can buy shims called padlock shims. They look a little bit like this, and it's basically just a piece of metal shaped like that. You can buy them online for like 21 bucks for a set of them, or you can make them on your own out of a Coke can. And I have a mangled one here. Just take a strip of it like this, take your scissors, and cut right down here, and then that flies off in a different direction, so you go get it. Cut here, here, like that, like that, and like that. So now you have this. Take that, bend it like this, both sides down. Try to bend this over so you don't cut yourself. Take that, and if you have extra on the side like that you just bent over, you don't want that on the outside or that'll cut your finger. So bend it so that's on the inside. So then you have, yeah. Now get a padlock. Master locks work the best because they have the most room in between the bar and the actual lock. So I don't know what the combination of this is. I've lost it in my piles of useless shit. So take this, put it around your padlock bar. I don't know what it's called. I call it a bar. Just like so. Force the pointy end, put the pointy end so it's, turn it this way so it's facing towards the front of the lock. Push it down into the lock as far as you can, and then turn it towards the inside of the lock. Lock's open. Sometimes you can use it twice. I don't know if I'll be able to use this one twice. Yeah, I should. So, can't open it. Take your shim, put it in so that the pointy side is facing towards the front of the lock. Push it down in between the gap. Turn it towards the inside of the lock, and open. There you have it.